We're going to make her a kitchen to cook me.
Hi everyone.
What are you going to make today?
A cupcake.
Yay! Let's talk about the ingredients for the cupcake today, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have icing, right?
Yeah.
Sprinkles, food coloring, your gloves. This is the flour mix that you picked.
Yeah.
Is this rainbow?
Yeah, rainbow.
Ooh, it's called tie-dye. Super yummy. And what is this you have? What are these?
A rainbow coloring.
Rainbow coloring? Are these cupcake cups? How many different colors you have? I think you missed an orange here. You missed an orange here. And then we have 1/3 cup of water, 3 eggs, and we're just gonna use the egg whites, okay?
Yeah.
And then oil. So we got the flours out, the cake mix out, and now let's read the instructions, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. It says, first you gotta preheat the oven to 350. I think we already preheat the oven to 350, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we're gonna have a large bowl, and then we're gonna mix everything in there, okay? Everything here, okay? Okay, let's cut this open. And then you're gonna put it in, okay? Okay, here. You dump everything in. Dump everything in. Okay, hold on. Oh, dump everything in. Dump everything in. Oh, you gotta shake it. Put everything. Oh. Okay. Need Daddy's help. Go, 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 go. Is that all?
Yeah.
That's all that's left?
Yeah.
Okay. What's next? You gotta mix the water. You gotta mix the oil. And you gotta crack open 3 egg whites and put it in, okay?
I want
This and this together. And oil too. Okay. So let's dump this in. You wanna dump this in? Okay. Careful. Side. Let's put oil in first, okay? Eggs will do last. Put the oil in first. Okay. And then we'll do the eggs, okay? Claire, we're gonna take the egg now, okay? We're gonna put the eggs in here, and then we're gonna separate the yolks, okay? Because we don't need the yolks. We just need the egg whites, okay? So take an egg. Okay, let's put the eggs in. You want me, Daddy, help? Like this, okay? 1, and then your turn. Go. Gotta crack it harder. No. You gotta hit it like this. Okay, your turn. Okay, you got it. Now I got it. You got it. That was so messy, though. And, okay, let's crack it one more time. Crack it. Okay. Yep. Oh. Okay.
Ready.
Okay, we separate everything already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's dump the egg white inside the bowl, okay? Okay. Alright, so let's mix it, okay?
Are you ready?
Mix it, okay? I think we're good. Let's see if it says, oh, beat it 2 minutes. Has it been 2 minutes? Yeah? It's been 2 minutes? Okay, we're good now, okay? Okay, Claire. Now we got all the bowls lined up and we got all the food colorings ready. We gotta put the cake mix in 6 different bowls, okay? So we can make all different colors, okay? So you scoop. 1 scoop for each, okay? Do it. 1 scoop for each. That's 1. It's okay. You do 1 each first, okay? Come on, scoop it. And now now the blue turn. It's okay. One scoop. It's okay. It's okay. Now, next one. Next one. You're so high. Don't scoop it so high. Okay, that one. No, we gotta put everything in that one scoop. Okay, next. Green coloring. Whoa! Now which one do you want to put it in? This one? How many drops? You gotta put drops, not too much, okay? It's gonna be super duper green. How many drops? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh! That's good. That's good. That's a lot of green already. How about next one? Blue? Which one? This one? Okay. Okay, that's good. That's a lot of blue already. Oh. How about yellow? Which one yellow? Let me open. You want my help? You want my help? Open it. Oh, you got it. Good job. Okay, put it in now. Which one? Hey, you changed. Okay, do it. Is that good? I think that's good. And what else next? Red. Okay. Which one for red? This one? Okay, I think we're good. That's good. That's a lot of red already. How about this one? What color do you want that one? No. We can make it purple. This one purple or this one purple?
Yes.
Okay, you do it. You put the red in. More. It's okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. I say more equal too much. And then 1 drop of blue, okay? Just tiny little drop of blue. Tiny. Okay. Now, I think you put too much blue in there. Hopefully it comes up with purple, okay? How about this color? What color do you want? Do you want orange? You want orange? This is orange. Yeah, you open it. Red. So you put red. Okay, that's good. And then yellow. More. You need more than that. You need a little bit more than that. You need more than red. Okay, I think we're good. Let's close it. We have all 6 balls here. Let's pick. You pick 3 and Daddy pick 3 to stir it. Do this. Okay. This is yours and this is Daddy's, okay? Now let's mix it. Yeah, mix it. Mix it. What color is this? Yellow. Color here, okay? So what do we have here? Blue. What do we have here?
Yellow.
How about here? How about here? Red. How about here?
Orange.
And here.
Green.
We got 6 different colors. Yay! Now we're gonna put the cupcake into the cup, okay? Alright, Claire. Now we have all 6 different colors here. We got different cupcake cups. Let's put the cupcake cup here and then we'll put every single one in, okay? Okay, you do it. You pick. Which one first? Pink first? Okay. How about the next one? Okay. Blue next one. How about next? Okay. Okay, let's put this away now, okay? Now we gotta put this different colors into the cup, okay?
I want
Which one do you want to start first?
pink.
You want pink first? Okay.
And my pink.
You got your pink. Of course, it's always your pink. Which one do you want? Just put in one, okay? Okay, let's put this away.
I want this.
You want that one? Okay, let's scoop it in. Careful. Yeah, more. How many scoop is that? This is the third scoop.
Claire, I thought you're making rainbow cupcake.
I want rainbow.
Yeah, you can put different color in one cup.
Do you want to put different color in one cup?
But that's not rainbow then.
Yeah, it's not rainbow. You need rainbow cupcake, right? How about we do this?
You can put a little purple in it, maybe?
Do you want to put the yellow in it? Or do you want to put purple in it? You want to put purple? Okay. Let's put a little purple inside.
Yeah, just put it in. Okay, I think we're good. Let's work on a different cup.
Okay, next one.
I want to do the yellow one.
You want yellow? Okay, let's put the yellow. How many scoop of yellow?
Rainbow.
Rainbow yellow? Oh, yellow inside again. Okay. Next.
I want red.
That's good. Oh, you give me the purple? Oh, thank you. Okay, I think that's enough. That's very full already. Yeah, you want to put a little bit more purple over here? You do it. You put a little bit more purple over here, okay? Yeah, very colorful. I think we're good. How about a little bit more here? Maybe a little bit more. Want to do it? All done! Oh my god! This is so messy. Look at your cupcake! Now that's a rainbow cupcake. Okay, Claire, now we got the cupcake ready. We're able to put it in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the oven, okay? It's hot, so let Daddy do it. Daddy's gonna put it in the oven. Careful. Oven. Now how long do we set it for?
3.
You mean 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
We set it for 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. 30 minutes. And we put the cupcake inside the oven to cook. We're gonna wait 30 minutes and then it's gonna rise up And then we're gonna take it out and put icing on it, then eat it, okay?
And then put the sprinkles.
Yeah, put the sprinkles in it.
And we eat them.
Okay?
Claire.
Mommy.
Hi, your cupcake is ready.
Yeah! And then go up.
Are you ready to? The cupcake are very big, right? Yeah? Are you ready to decorate your cupcake? You're gonna put the icing on it and put sprinkle on it? Okay, let's pick one cupcake. Ooh, is that how you want your cupcake? More?
Yeah. On the top.
On the top like this?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah, and then you can put the sprinkle in. We got, what do we have here?
We have 4 sprinkles.
Which one you want?
I want.
You want this one? Okay, we have to close other one and leave this one open. Like this. Okay? And then you can sprinkle on it. Wow, good job, Claire. So cute. Are you ready for your next one? Okay, Claire, the last 4 cupcakes.
Only one thing.
One at a time.
I want this.
Okay.
Say, Missy, let's make a cake.
Missy, are you making a cake?
Are you making a cake?
Are you making a cupcake?
Yeah, Mommy.
Wow, is that the cupcake that you made?
Yeah!
Can I see? Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at this, is your rainbow cupcake. Right? And you're gonna try it? Pick one. This one? Do you need a spoon?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Okay.
Can you give yourself a big thumb up? Is it yummy, delicious? Can you say bye-bye to everybody before you eat?
Bye-bye, everybody.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.